Well, yes, I am on my kitchen floor. That's fine. Hi, I'm Melissa. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm gonna try to recreate these tacos that I ate at a Mother's Day brunch, and I like them, and I don't really have anything about them except for this short recipe and a picture. I'm not a cook. Got all this stuff, and here we go. That's a plate I got at a really weird ladies' yard sale, and I thought we were gonna be human centipeded, but then I got plates. First of all, the tacos were made on some local corn tortilla, which I can't find, so I'm just gonna use those corn tortillas. They were actually the only ones I could find, so. There was some pulled chicken sort of thing, so I got this rotisserie chicken because that seemed like the easiest way to make pulled chicken. I don't know how to do that. I'm just gonna figure that out. I don't know. And this, because I thought just chicken on its own seemed boring, so I'm gonna mix a little bit of that on it. Not sponsored by Sweet Baby Ray's. I know you thought it was. How do you make pulled chicken? I don't even normal chicken. I don't know where bones are. Oh. There, that might be one. Gonna drop it. Oh, dropped it. The internet told me to just pull it apart with 2 forks. Is that right? That looks a little pulled. I pulled it apart. Look at that. That's enough for half a taco. I'm such a good cook. Corey's gonna be so proud of me. This doesn't feel like enough chicken. How do you chicken? Should I have got 2 chickens? How do you drumstick? Oh, I don't know what this is. I thought it was the drumstick. Oh, that was a sound that it made. What? Oh god, it splashed in my face. Look at all that chicken. I think this took too long, so I'm gonna microwave it for like 30 seconds, because that makes sense in my head. Look, I cleaned all of that up in 30 seconds or something. It's hot, so I'm just gonna do like a wee bit. Look at that, that's cute. This is hard when you have one hand. I know there was red cabbage slaw in the recipe, but I couldn't find that. I don't know if people sell that as it is, but I got this red cabbage and this coleslaw dressing, and I'm gonna mix those together. Sure. I thought it would have a squeezy top. Is this even... Oh, that's not bad. Okay, I'm in. I'm such a cook. It said it was topped with creme de fromage, whatever, I don't know. I couldn't find that in the store, and I was gonna do sour cream, but then I found this, and that looked like it sounded good. There's a shadow on me. Does this even taste good? Like I should taste it before I put it on the taco? Am I allergic to this? Okay. There were some garnishes, like radishes or something, but I didn't want to cut up garnishes, so I just got this, and I'll just pick those garnishes out of there. That makes sense, I think. That's how you cook with Melissa. How's that taste? I don't know. I'll find out in 5 minutes. Make sure you like and subscribe. Where'd that come from? I don't know. Canada?